setup for the experiment. We have placed few books and on that we have placed a writing pad. So it is an inclined plane. So now we'll place the shell on this inclined plane. Now we'll release this cell and see. So this is the distance covered by the cell. Now we shall mark the distance covered by the cell on this paper. So it has covered this much of distance on this paper. So when it was rolled down on the paper, so it has covered so much of distance. Now we'll spread some sand over this paper and then roll the cell and see what happens. Now here we have spread some sand over the paper. Now we'll be sliding the cell over this sand. So now we'll mark the distance, the distance covered by the cell. So here, when the cell was rolled over this sand, the distance covered by the cell was less. So you can see the distance covered by the cell was less when it was rolled over the rough surface. So here you can see the sand is having a rough surface when we compare to the sheet. So here the sand is having rough surface, and you can see the distance covered by the cell in this rough surface is less when compared to the first case.
Because friction depends on the nature of the surface. Friction is less on smooth surfaces. Friction is more on rough surface.